Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this is my very first vlog and I'm super excited to share it with you. So today, we're diving into Bulldog Creamy Carbonara Hot Chicken Flavored Ramen. So it's my first time trying this and I've heard that it's a mix of creamy and spicy. So let's see how I handle it. Let's go. So let's start by cooking the noodles. So first, we need about 600 ml of water, and when it's boiling, toss the noodles and cook them for about 5 minutes. Give them a stir every now and then to keep them from sticking. Okay, there. The noodles are already done. Then let's turn off the fire. So once the noodles are cooked, drain most of the water, but leave around 8 spoonful of water so the sauce has something to mix with. Of course, we want that creamy texture of the carbonara noodles. So here, I put the carbonara powder. Next is the bulldog spicy sauce. So as you can see, I finished with all the powdered carbonara and the bulldog spicy sauce. So now, let's mix it. Let's mix it very well.
2,000 years later.
As you can see, this looks so good. Just look at that fiery red color. Now, the big question. Can I handle the spice? Let's find out. Whoa, this is really something. The carbonara flavor hits at first, and it's so rich. But then, the spice kicks in right after. Ha, so spicy. But it's a perfect balance of heat and creaminess. So spicy. So for my first time, I'm loving it. It's spicy but not overwhelming. And the creaminess makes it easier to handle. Yeah. Let me finish this first.
A few moments later.
I'm gonna cook one egg so that it lessens the spicy of the noodles because it's a little bit spicy. Yeah. And my mouth is, you know, let me just fry one. There. You can't really handle the spiciness. So let's go, let's eat it. So there, I'm back. The spiciness is So I tried some. Mm, I think the let's just mix. Let's just mix it. Tastes better. I can I can finish it out. I'll just give it to my brother so that he can taste it also and try. That's it. So that's it for my first ever vlog, guys. Thank you for watching me try Bulldog Cream Carbonara Hot Chicken Flavor Ramen for the first time. I didn't know what to expect at first, but I'm glad I tried it. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section if you tried this or if there's another flavor you want me to check out next. So, see you in the next video. Bye guys.